Priority list. Students, parents and teachers stage a protest because of the brutal killing of a teen. This evening, what they want the government to do. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, defend yourself, what a cabinet minister says students and adults should do when they're under attack.
A mother details a stunning stabbing of her daughter. Is a man still on the run and how can you help?
Then a warning about hand, foot and mouth disease will tell you what to look out for.
The team that will decide who runs Riverton City Dump, but does it mean paying to get your garbage picked up?
And in the business news, a group makes a controversial ganja proposal.
There is also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in the primetime package, but before the break, the feedback question.
Following the death of Nicholas Francis and the protests at Jamaica College, what will you do to ensure the safety of children you come into contact with?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.